Hello learners and welcome to the Junior Techie online teaching platform. My name is Raymond Mkize and I will be your instructor for this experiment. Today we will be looking at waves, and in particular we will be looking at the construction and destruction interference. Today we will be using a ripple tank simulation provided by Java Falstad. A wave can be described as a disturbance that travels through a medium from one location to another location. Today, we'll be looking at waves similar to the disturbance which you would find if you were to throw a rock into the water. As you know, it will cause a ripple effect over the medium. This is the ripple effect or the interference which we are going to be observing. We will then be identifying our constructive and our destructive parts of the wave. We will also specifically be looking at 2-point interferences where we have two waves created. First, I would like you to observe a single source wave and observe the pattern which is created. If you were to think of this practically, if you were to throw a stone into the river, you would see these circular interferences caused. This is an illustration of what a single source wave would look like. Now, we are going to observe what a two or double source wave would look like. I am going to add a second point and run the simulation. As you observe, as the two waves begin to join, there is a point in which the waves cancel out, but also there is an effect of which the wave becomes bigger on the ends. This is an illustration of constructive and destructive interference. As the waves join together, they cancel out, and as the waves continue to spread, they grow bigger. I will now increase the source frequency and we will observe what effect it has. As I increase the frequency, we will observe that the amount of waves which are clashing or joining begin to increase. Take note of this again. As I increase the frequency, we will see more waves forming and linking together. However, as I decrease the frequency, we will see the number of waves begin to lessen or to decrease. A constructive interference occurs when two waves overlap and result in a larger wave. Destructive interference occurs when two waves overlap and result in a smaller or no wave product. As we can see on the illustration on the right, we had phases or points where destructive interference occurred. And looking at the outer parts of these waves, we can see that there was constructive interference. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.